Welcome to Grade 1 Writing. This is Lesson 35, Writing a List. In this lesson, we'll learn how to write sentences that include more than one thing, like foods, animals, toys, or clothes. This is called writing a list, and you'll learn how to use commas to do it correctly. Let's get started. A list is when we name 3 or more things in a sentence. We use commas to separate the items in the list, and we use the word "and" before the last item. For example, I see apples, bananas, and grapes. That's a list. The commas help the sentence sound clear and organized. Let's read some list sentences together. I like cats, dogs, and birds. I have pencils, markers, and crayons. We saw lions, zebras, and giraffes. See how they all follow the same pattern? You can list animals, foods, colors, toys, or anything. Here's a sentence without commas. I want pizza, pasta, salad. It sounds confusing. Let's fix it. I want pizza, pasta, and salad. Now it's much easier to read. Try this one. She packed books, clothes, shoes. Correct. She packed books, clothes, and shoes. Let's write a list sentence together. Pick 3 things you love to eat. Now try with 3 favorite animals. Use your commas. Here are some tips to help you write great lists. Always use commas between the words. Only use the word and before the last word. Don't add a comma after the word "and." For example, I like red, blue, and green. Parents, writing a list is a great chance to build both grammar and vocabulary. Try these ideas at home. Write a grocery list together. Name animals from a zoo trip. Talk about toys or books using list sentences. Ask your child to say, then write, their own lists with commas. You did amazing today. Now you know how to write a list in a sentence using commas and the word "and." Lists make your writing clear and organized, and they're fun too. Be sure to download today's worksheet. The link is right in the video description below. It has 2 full pages of list writing practice just for you. And if you're enjoying these lessons, make sure to subscribe so you can follow the entire Grade 1 writing course with us. In our next lesson, we'll learn how to write a thank you note, a kind and polite way to show gratitude in writing. Keep learning, keep writing, and I'll see you next time.